Python powers Netflix, Instagram, AI tools, and even parts of ChatGPT. But here's the crazy part. Most beginners can learn the basics of Python in just a few hours. So, what exactly is Python, and why is everyone using it? Before Python existed, programming was often complicated and difficult to read. Many languages looked like a wall of confusing symbols, and beginners struggled to understand what was happening. Then, in 1991, Guido van Rossum introduced Python with a simple goal: create a programming language that was powerful but easy to read. And this changed everything. The surprising thing is that Python wasn't actually named after the snake. It was inspired by a British comedy show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. So, how does Python work? Think of it as a translator. You write instructions in simple English-like code, and Python converts those instructions into actions your computer can understand. For example, a beginner can write a simple command like print hello world and instantly see the result on the screen. No complicated setup, no confusing syntax. But that's not the whole story. Python isn't just for beginners. It powers web applications, automation tools, data science projects, cybersecurity systems, and artificial intelligence. Companies like Google, Netflix, and Instagram use Python in various parts of their systems, which is one reason it remains one of the most popular programming languages. However, Python's biggest advantage may be its massive community. Millions of developers contribute libraries and tools that save countless hours of work. And the future looks even bigger. As artificial intelligence continues to grow, Python remains the go-to language for machine learning and AI development. So, here's the takeaway. Python became popular because it's simple, powerful, and incredibly versatile. Whether you want to build websites, automate tasks, analyze data, work with cybersecurity, or create AI applications, Python is often the best place to start. Now you know why Python is everywhere and why millions of people choose it as their first programming language.